Hi guys, so today this is the tutorial and I used my Kylie Jenner palette. This is the nice palette, I believe. I throw the packaging, but I believe this is the nice, and these are the colors. They are very reminiscent to me of like a Natasha Denona palette. This is Natasha? No, Huda Beauty. You see those colors? To me, they're reminiscent of Huda Beauty. To me, but I love the packaging of this. I love how it looks. It's just nice and sleek. The only thing is I really wish like up here it had like nice or the name of it, because when you throw the box that it comes in, you don't know what palette you have. But yeah, so this is the look, and today I am featuring my birthday hair. Hear me out now. I placed an order for this hair because I'm working with Longqi on a long-term basis. So I placed an order for this hair weeks before my birthday, and it got to the, because I use third-party shipping because I live in Jamaica, so it got to the US way within the time frame would have gotten it for my birthday. But for some reason there is that mega huge uncomfortable delay and just getting my package, you know. Hold on for a minute. It's quite frustrating, but this is I have not worn Cambodian hair in years, and because it was my birthday I put in a special request to Longqi hair. I'm actually wearing their Cambodian straight 28 inches. Now I'm wearing a frontal and 3 bundles. The frontal comes pre-plucked, but I will be going in and personalizing it. I just really have to bring this to you guys because I'm so late. Because I told them the video will be up on the 3rd. It is now the 21st of December. So I love working with Longqi hair. I love the customer service. I love how, I don't know, I love it. I really love it. And I don't know if it's because I'm working with them, but I just feel like they'll be good to you guys and authentic, you know what I mean? No, to be honest, I'm not quite sure the cost of this specific hair, but I will tell you that the shorter you go, the less money you pay. And I would definitely say if you want to splurge and, you know, get a 28 inch or a 30 inch to save up for it and have it be like a special event. To be honest, you guys, I love long hair. I'm like an ear damn body. I love when my hair is long, but for 2019, I'm talking about 2019. For next year, I'll be going in a little bit shorter, some nice fluffy bobs and stuff. But I love this hair. The shortest is 20 inches, and that's the frontal, and the longest is 28 inches, and that's the bundle. I love how it handles. It's extremely smooth, and it's not reminiscent of any other texture I've ever tried. It's not reminiscent of Malaysian, Brazilian, or Peruvian. You can tell that this is different, you know what I mean? It flat irons so easily. It just smooths down on the flat iron. I don't know, I love it, and I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful for Longqi here. The customer service is bomb, the hair is bomb. I'm not going along anymore about this. It turn up. I'll have everything for them linked in the description bar, especially what I'm wearing, and I'll also have their handle just floating about in the video, and also the logo. They deserve, you deserve it. You deserve it, Longqi. Your hair goes bomb. Okay, so this is it for this intro. I love my hair. 28 inches. This little side part, like deep side part, doing something. I have not personalized my frontal, which I'm sure somebody on the mother will clap me for. But yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Alright guys, so to get started, I am going to be doing my brow bone, and they have the names of the colors at the back of this palette, but I still don't know them, so I'm just going to show them as I go along. So I'm going to take the light peachy color here, this one here, and that's going to go on as my brow color. Alright, it's hella light. It's like pink. And then I'm going to go again with this color right here, more of a nudie color. I was going to go with this color, but I thought it would have been too dark. So I'm going to brush this right on my brow bone and not carry it down like what I did to the first color. Guys, if you hear like some winds, I have 2 fans on me. I have my ring light on, then 2 lights above the ring light. Then I have a fan on there, a fan on there, and this white go-to brush. And I am going to be going in with this color here first. So I'm using the side of the brush. It's a fluffy brush, but it kind of goes straight and then wide, you know what I mean? But it's not like all the way around fluffy. So I'm gonna take the side of it and just blend. No, that not gonna work. I need a fluffier brush. This one, a tapered fluffy brush. This color here. The last palette I used from Kylie Cosmetics was one of the was the quads that she had, that had the orange. It wasn't a quad, but one of those smaller palettes that she had came up with like the very first time. I haven't used much from her at all in a good while, and I must say the colors are way better than what she started out with. A hella way better. So I am not mad at this at all. Then I'm going to go in with this mustard color. Let's see what she do. Let's see what she do. Let's see what she do. And what drew me to this palette was actually the yellow. I was like, ooh, that's a nice little yellow. That's doing nothing for me now. Why am I putting this yellow in my crease? I should be putting it on my brow bone area. Girl! Yes, it's working better in my brow bone area than in my crease. Why I was putting it in my crease? Well, because I put it in my crease, I have to make that same mistake on the other side because I don't know what the colors are going to look like. The colors are going to look off if I don't repeat this mistake. Lot of God, I gotta fix up my Longqi here. Alright, so then let's see. Let's do this right here. How about it? Ooh, how about it? Hey, hey, how about it? Hey, hey. Okay, tell me if you prefer when I do voiceovers. Do you prefer me doing voiceovers? Do you prefer when I do, like, when I'm talking to you? Right? So voiceovers versus talking to you, which one you prefer? Also, do you like when I do a full face? Sure, guys, how I achieve a full face. Or I like when it's segmented like this, where I like the eyes. So I come on here with my makeup already on, and then I just focus on the eyes. What do you think about that? This color here. And I'm just using the one brush. It's a lot of colors, but I like this look. It's looking more natural than I would have wanted it to. But cleaning off the brush and then just blending out the edges. Then I want to go in with this one. I take the mustard color, that mustard color, and kind of pat it on, you know, because I'm liking how that's looking. This color, which is the darkest matte color, and that's going right in my crease on the outside. Electro primer in black. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Alright, so then I am going to be taking my brush that I used to do my brows. Going on the inside to separate that black to kind of clean up on the inside, because I'm going to put a color right in here. And then what brush? Oh, I can use, wait, all these brushes that I'm using except the Juvia's Place one is from my line. What brush there? I just have the barrel clean the brush. Are it's in my lap? Okay, so I'm going to take this color here to the tip of the brush and pat it on. I don't know if you guys know, but we actually have some lashes in stock from my lash line, Pommy by Lyric lashes, Pommy lashes. So today I'm going to be wearing Fashionista. But remember, initially when Fashionista was hella thick, now it's just a little bit thinner, and I feel like it would look really nice with this look. So that's what I'm going to apply right now. So my Pommy lashes. And the Fashionista baby. Now available at Hair Vibes. They're going for $1,000, 1,000 Jamaican dollars, because I live in Jamaica. Save it willy-nilly. And on Pommy by Lyric on Instagram as well. They're also going for 1,000 Jamaican dollars, and those are being shipped via Knox for the Express. I'm going to be using a highlighter, this one with her on Jordan, and let me just swatch it to see. I haven't used anything, swatched anything, so I think I want to go into Best Life, because Best Life is like a goldy bronze. Oh, okay, Best Life. Oh, it's hella okay. I just cleaned off the brush a little bit, and I'm trying to blend this out. Okay. Alright. These are nice. Yeah. This is Posy K. Nope, Posy K wasn't it. It wasn't Posy K. It was straight up with not Posy. That is the lip gloss. Yeah, so I'm done. This is the look. I would have gotten lighter on the lips. I was like, what the heck? It works. Not that I like it, but it works. I feel like this is like too much. That's better. So this is the look, you guys, using my Kylie Jenner. I believe this is a nice palette. I thought of the packaging, but this is a nice palette, and also using her highlighters you guys saw me use. This is the look. Thank you so much for watching again. Shout out to Longqi hair. Yes, Cambodian straight, 28 inches. Yes, they cutting off the hairs too in Cambodia, and we got bundles, boo. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching. Come along if you feel